Alright.
I'm gonna do some Sniper Ghost just because I feel like it. Continue. I don't want to continue. Let's get back. Shooting range. There we go. Expert. Yep. Let's do a little warm up. Alright. Let's go ahead and hit F to pick that up. There we go. We walk over to the mattress here because hell, I like it in comfort. There we go. Let's get all the way down. Still getting used to the controls. It's been years since I've played this game. Okay. Next target will be where? Over here. 177 meters. Point blank, pretty much. Hardly any wind from left to right. I'm gonna have to get in there. There we go. Alrighty, next target. 700 meters. Alright, this is a little bit of a challenge. Yay. And click in here. He's down. He's down. And he's down. Reload. Next target. Am I standing? No. No, I'm not. I don't think I am. Doesn't look like I am. Notice this. 431 meters. Alright. Still a headshot. There we go. Next target. Where is the next target? I'm not seeing it. There it is. Alright, 184 meter point blank pretty much for a sniper rifle. There's a little bit more wind though this time. There's a lot more wind. Alright, so I'm just glance it right off his nose. Right off his eyebrow. And right off your eyebrow, but a little high. Perfect. Got a little shaky there at the end because I held it too long. Alrighty. Next target is going to be at 387 meters. Yeah, I can see an opportunity for a double kill. Let's go ahead and zoom in here so I can get this all lined up. I'm just going to aim right on top of his hat. And fire. Double kill. Guy in the window. I'm going to go ahead and trap him right here. He's down. Alright, next target. 298 meters. Yeah, that's not too bad. I just got to hold a little high. The wind, fairly decent. We'll just hold it a little bit off. Right there. Reload. Back into the game. And fire. Nice headshot. Alrighty. Next target. At 259 meters. Oh, it's a pop-up. So I'm going to go ahead and take it. Alrighty. That wasn't a very hard shot because it wasn't that far. Next shot. 276. Also not a hard shot either. But a lot of wind. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And that. that. There we go, and that ends them. 398, just call it 400 meters. I mean, it's just shy. So, we'll go ahead and just aim over this bald guy's head when he comes back. If we have a lot of wind, we'll send it. Okay, now we got a way harder shot. This is about 900 meters pretty much, give or take. Kind of not getting an accurate reading, it's bouncing all over the place, so yeah, it is what it is. Take that out. Good kill. Next is going to be 731 meters. Respectable range. And we have pop-up targets that pop up, and this guy, I'm gonna go ahead and take a shot on the sniper here. He'd probably be the first one I'd want to kill anyways. There's not that much wind, so I need to be a little less. Go higher. Gotcha. Gotcha. Oh, I did get him. Oh, missed again. It's all about timing. Got him that time. And got him there. Alright, a couple misses. Not bad. What's my accuracy? 92%. I missed 3 times, only because the target dropped before the round could hit there. If not, I would have hit it. I only missed literally 1 time because I hit slightly low, hit the sandbag. But other than that, almost a perfect run. At Expert.